Mr. President, we, Vitaly Pilkin and Vladimir Miroshnichenko, are forced to apply to you with the following public statement. There are the US laws that have an extraterritorial nature of application, for example, the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act, the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, and some others. Many entities and individuals outside the United States who are not residents of the United States should comply with said extraterritorial US laws. It's obvious that impartial application by the US law enforcement agencies of said extraterritorial US laws is very important for providing international leadership of the United States. It's obvious also that selective or otherwise saying biased application by the US law enforcement agencies of said US laws is unacceptable. We have applied to you, Mr. President, February and June 2017, as well as to the Attorney General Jeff Sessions, March and June 2017, with information evidencing that the United States Department of Justice has applied said extraterritorial US laws selectively. In particular, Department of Justice, headed by the Attorney General Loretta Lynch, has refused to prosecute Sony Group companies and law firm Hogan Lovells for their willful violations of said extraterritorial US laws. Despite irrefutable proofs of commission by Sony Group companies and law firm Hogan Lovells of said violations have been submitted to the Department of Justice, as well as to the management of Sony Group companies and law firm Hogan Lovells. Nevertheless, as before, Sony Group companies and law firm Hogan Lovells continue to demonstrate confidence in their own impunity. So, no one of employees of Sony Group companies and partners and lawyers of Hogan Lovells who were involved in commission of multiple crimes has not been replaced. Hence, nothing is changed inside Department of Justice towards multiple crimes committed by Sony Group companies and law firm Hogan Lovells. Thus, this neglect of the US law demonstrated by Department of Justice can raise justified questions, at least among residents of many countries who should comply with extraterritorial US laws, as well as among those who have been already prosecuted by Department of Justice for violation of extraterritorial US laws. We are sure that your administration understands that the United States interests are above the interests of some corrupt officials of Department of Justice. We are sure that the matter requires a formal investigation by the US authorities of said misconduct committed by Department of Justice.